Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. Today's topic is quite interesting, and as you all know that this channel Journey with Data is all about learning based on machine learning, data science, Python, Excel and so on. Today I've decided to curate a video on such theme, and today's topic is quite requested by many of you, and it is top 5 mathematics and statistics courses. So let's get started with the video. So the course number 1 in statistics is Statistics for Data Science and Business Analysis from Udemy. This stands at a rating of 4.5 stars. I've also taken this course personally, and what I found interesting and quite appreciating about this one is this basically helps us understand the fundamentals of statistics. It will help you clarify the basic things, for example, the measures of central tendency, asymmetry, how to calculate correlation, what is the correlation, how to calculate covariance, difference between them, hypothesis testing, and so on, all the very basics that is much needed in statistics. So this is one such course. Course number 2 is also from Udemy, and it is Become a Probability and a Statistics Master. This course stands at a rating of 4.7 stars and is also a bestseller course from Udemy. Now, what you will learn from this is you will learn how to perform data visualization, including different types of graphs, for example, bar graph, pie charts, histograms, and so on. You will learn to plot data distributions. You will learn the measures of central tendency, hypothesis testing, and type 1, type 2 errors, p-values, and other statistics tests. So this is also a great course if you want to learn statistics from scratch. So the course number 3 is from PluralSight, and it is Statistics Foundations, Understanding Probability and Distributions. This course will help you efficiently analyze data, perform hypothesis testing, and this will basically give you an introduction to set theory and introduction to probability and all the concepts related to statistics. And this will also basically help you learn different type of distributions, difference between discrete and continuous variables, some probability density functions, and so on. So all in all, this is also a great course for a beginner level. So the next course that I've chosen is for mathematics, because you all know that to learn data science or to learn machine learning, we all need to have a great understanding of statistics and mathematics as well. Now, I've taken this course from Coursera. It is Mathematics for Machine Learning Specialization. Now, there are various chapters in this course. The first one focuses on linear algebra and how it is related to data. The second one is multivariate calculus, and this will basically help you have a look at how to optimize various functions and how it fits to the data. The third course is dimensionality reduction with principal component analysis, and this also uses mathematics for the first 2 chapters. And this course promises that at the end of this you will have the prerequisite mathematical knowledge to continue your journey. So if you wish to enroll for any mathematical course, then you can have a look at this course. So last but not the least is a course from Khan Academy, and it is Statistics and Probability. Well, this course is divided into chapters, and I will not go into detail covering each and every aspect from this course. I'll just give you a brief about what this course contains. The first chapter is all about categorical data. The second one will help you deal with quantitative data, how to summarize it. For example, what is an interquartile range, what are box and whisker plots, and then there are various chapters which will help you learn data distributions. What are z-scores, percentiles, density curves, correlation coefficients, and this course will basically help you learn probability as well. What is randomness, probability, simulation, and so on. So all you can do is have a look at this course and decide it for yourself if you want to really opt for this. I found this to be great. So the rest is up to you. I've given you a list of the 5 courses, and I'm sure that these courses will help you choose your journey ahead. So that's it for now. So that's it for now. Please feel free to drop a comment on the courses that you would like me to cover, or probably the topics that you would want me to create videos on. So do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.